The first way most people think you make money as a YouTuber is ad revenue from the YouTube Partner Program. Ads tend to be the main focus of most new YouTubers, with the goal to get to monetization level as quickly as possible. To get to monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in a 12-month period. And if you follow our Channel Profits Blueprint, you should be able to do that in around 90 days. If you haven't already, you can get free access by clicking the link in the description. Once monetized, YouTube starts to pay you 65% of all ad revenue gained from channel views. This is paid via Google AdSense, which is the ad branch of Google. It's the same way sites showing ads on their websites get paid. Google pays out 65 cents for every dollar they make, minus tax. Which sounds pretty good, right? Well, yes and no. It calculates an amount per 1,000 views, which is called the RPM, revenue per mil. This varies depending on your niche and demand for ads. It could be $2 per 1,000 views or $40. Not all niches are equal, so if you are building channels for profit, then you would want to target high CPM, cost per mil, niches. You also have to be aware that not all views are equal. Not all views have ads on them. If you skip an ad in the first 30 seconds, then the advertiser doesn't pay. If there are ads you can't skip, then the advertiser does pay. So your earnings are directly related to the quality of the ads and the type of ads running. Now, there are different types of ads, and YouTube lets you choose what types of ads you want to allow on each video. This gives you some control over the viewer's experience, which can be important. For example, if it was a short video or a meditation video, then you wouldn't want ads in the middle that interrupt or would annoy your viewers. So although you want to maximize earnings per video, you also don't want to damage viewer retention rate and watch time. There are many different types of ads that you can show on your videos. You have skippable in-stream ads, which can be added before, during, and at the end of the video. Like the name suggests, these are the ones where viewers can skip after 5 seconds. Next up, you have the non-skippable in-stream ads. These are the same as the last ads, but like the name suggests, viewers can't skip them. Now, these ads can be up to 15 seconds or less. You have the bumper ads, which are the same as the non-skippable ads. However, these can only be 6 seconds long. YouTube can show 2 of these in a row on your video, given how short they are. And finally, the remaining ads are banner ads. These are the image banners you see appear in the bottom section of a video. You can have these throughout, and they don't interrupt the video from playing. There are other types of ads, but these are the ones that appear inside your video. The rest are just on and around the YouTube platform, like any other website. Now, you may be thinking, what if viewers have a premium ad-free YouTube account? Do I lose out? The short answer is no. YouTube divides this subscription up based on how much of what content premium viewers watch. It's a little bit more difficult to understand, so I tend to see this more as an added bonus. But as YouTube is heavily pushing for this, I fully expect it to get more attention in terms of analytics in the near future. The next question is, when do you get paid? To quote YouTube, finalized YouTube earnings for the previous month are added to your YouTube Premium account balance in AdSense between the 7th and 12th of the current month. For example, if you're in the United States and you earn $100 in June, you'll see this balance in AdSense between July 7th and 12th. The earnings are then paid out between the 21st and the 26th of the current month, as long as your total balance has reached the payment threshold and you have no payment holds. You may also see applicable tax deductions at this time. You're looking at an approximate 6-week turnaround on payments. So that's how ad revenue from YouTube works. I personally see ads as more of a cost-covering income, using this to outsource content production for growth. Anything else I sell or promote on the channel is then pure profit. This is why organic channel growth is so good. You aren't having to pay for ads that often go up in price to sell your products and services, which makes you much more profitable in the long term. As mentioned before, if you haven't already, you can get our Channel Profits Blueprint for faster monetization by clicking the link in the description. The next way you can monetize on YouTube is channel farming. I'll put a link to the full playlist in the corner of this video so you can watch that next. Until next time.